David Sugarman, and I'm here to help you learn English in a simple, fun, and useful way. And if you're tired of studying and not seeing progress, you're in the right place. I've created easy lessons that take you step by step, starting from the basics and moving up. We'll focus on key areas like grammar and listening. They're both super important to help you understand and speak English naturally. This video is a part of a series of lessons, so if you've been learning with me or one of my teachers, it's a great way to review what you've already covered in class. Whether we're working together one-on-one, in a group, or you're studying with one of my teachers, these presentations help you keep practicing and keep making progress. Think of this video as a tool to review the lesson, a way to go over the material again and make it stick. One thing I've noticed is that a lot of English learners struggle with the word like because it has several different meanings and uses. That's why today I want to break it down for you and show you exactly how to use like correctly in different situations. This way of learning really works. You'll start to understand and speak English with more confidence. So just stick with it, keep practicing, and you'll see progress in no time. And if you want even more practice, you can find exercises on my website at davidenglish.info that go perfectly with these lessons to help you learn faster. So let's get started, everybody. Superlatives. To talk about something being the best or the most. And we use the adjective plus the est. Here's examples. She is the smartest student in the class. That was the coldest winter on record. So a nice little tip to remember is that if the adjective is small, meaning that there's just one syllable, then you're going to put the est to the end of it. And for longer adjectives, we use the most plus adjective. Example, this is the most beautiful painting I have ever seen. This is the most delicious cake I have ever tasted. So again, the word beautiful and the word delicious, these are two larger, bigger adjectives with more syllables. For example, beautiful has 3 sounds. Delicious has about 3 sounds too. And the word smart is just one, smart. Cold, smartest, coldest, most beautiful, most delicious. And this is exactly what we're going to be doing today. Directions: complete the sentences. At this point, you guys can check out my website at davidenglish.info to do more exercises. Please give me a like, a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't, and share this video with someone that can benefit from it. Complete the sentences. Number 1. This is the fun movie I have ever seen. What do you think the answer is? The answer is, this is the funniest movie I have ever seen. You can also stop the video and write down your answers and then check if you want and restart the video. Number 2, Mount Everest is the high mountain in the world. What do you think? High is a small word, so I'm going to say Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Number 3, she is the kind person I know. Kind is also a small word, so we're going to say she is the kindest person I know. Number 4, the Burj Khalifa is the tall building in the world. So tall is a small word as well. We're going to say the Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world. Number 5, he bought the fast car on the market. Fast is also a small word, so I'm going to say he bought the fastest car on the market. Number 6, directions: complete the sentences. That was the bad experience of my life. I want to say something about the word bad. Bad has three ways to use this word. We can say bad. We can also say more bad, but that's not correct. So you want to say worse. And then if you want to say the most bad, so you can say the worst. So number 6 is that was the worst experience of my life. Number 7, she made the delicious cake at the party. Now, delicious is a big word, a big adjective. So I want to say she made the most delicious cake at the party. Number 8, it was the hot day of the year yesterday. Hot is a small word. So we want to say it was the hottest day of the year yesterday. Number 9, she is the talented artist in the gallery. So you want to say here, because talented is a big adjective, talented, we want to say she is the most talented artist in the gallery. Number 10, this is the bright star in the sky tonight. The word bright has one syllable, bright, it's a small word. We're going to say this is the brightest star in the sky tonight. Again, guys, you can check out my website at davidenglish.info, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell and give me a like and give me a comment. Number 11, the Sahara Desert is the desert in the world. So now we need to think, what do we know about the Sahara Desert? I know that the Sahara Desert is something. What about you? I know that it's very, very hot. So the Sahara Desert is the hottest desert in the world. Have you ever been there? I haven't. Number 12, Mount Everest is the mountain on Earth. What do you know about Mount Everest? I know that Mount Everest is very tall. So I'm going to say Mount Everest is the tallest mountain on Earth. Number 13, the Pacific Ocean is the ocean in the world. What do you know about the Pacific Ocean? I know that the Pacific Ocean is very deep. The Pacific Ocean is the deepest ocean in the world. Number 14, Russia is the country in the world by land area. What do you know about Russia? I know that it's very large. Russia is the largest country in the world by land area. 15, the Nile is the river in the world. I know that the Nile River is very long, so I'm going to say the Nile is the longest river in the world. Have you ever been there before? Have you been to any of these places before? Let me know in the comments. Complete the sentences. Number 16, the Great Wall of China is the wall ever built. What do you know about the Great Wall of China? I know that it's really long. The Great Wall of China is the longest wall ever built. Let's go to 17. Antarctica is the place on Earth. What do you know about Antarctica? I know that Antarctica is the coldest place on Earth. 18. The Amazon rainforest is the rainforest in the world. What do you know about the Amazon rainforest? I know that the Amazon rainforest is the biggest rainforest in the world. 19. The blue whale is the animal on the planet. What do you know about the blue whale? I know that it's very heavy. The blue whale is the heaviest animal on the planet. And 20, the Dead Sea is the point on Earth's surface. Well, I know that the Dead Sea is super low because I know I live around it. Have you ever been to the Dead Sea before? So I'm going to say the Dead Sea is the lowest point on Earth's surface. Let's try. Talk about things you consider to be the best or the least of something, and leave it in the comments. Now I'm just going to read off the sentences to you. Answer key. You're going to listen and repeat if you want. Number 1, this is the funniest movie I have ever seen. Number 2, Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Number 3, she is the kindest person I know. Number 4, the Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world. Number 5, he bought the fastest car on the planet. Number 6, that was the worst experience of my life. 7, she made the most delicious cake at the party. 8, it was the hottest day of the year yesterday. 9, she is the most talented artist in the gallery. 10, this is the brightest star in the sky tonight. Answer key. 11, the Sahara Desert is the hottest desert in the world. 12, Mount Everest is the tallest mountain on Earth. 13, the Pacific Ocean is the deepest ocean in the world. 14, Russia is the largest country in the world by land area. 15, the Nile is the longest river in the world. 16, the Great Wall of China is the longest wall ever built. 17, Antarctica is the coldest place on Earth. 18, the Amazon rainforest is the biggest rainforest in the world. 19, the blue whale is the heaviest animal on the planet. And 20, the Dead Sea is the lowest point on Earth's surface. Thank you again for coming to the David English Academy. And for more information, you can visit and follow my social media accounts. Don't forget to subscribe, pass this on to a friend so we can change their lives too. And again, you got more exercises at davidenglish.info. See you later.
Hi, how are you today? If you would like to elevate your English level, where people actually understand you, where you're not making mistakes, where you're not confused, where you have control of your English, then you're in the right place. My name is David Sugarman. I've been teaching business English for over 12 years, and I can really help you. Currently, right now, I'm teaching in big companies like Diplomat Israel, like IKEA, and others. If you would like to hear more information, please reach out to me over here. Bye for now.